Hello. So I am Annamalai and I have a question. So what mindset did you guys have while heading towards the NEET exam hall? Because all of us have that question. Even though we prepare so much for the exam, we don't know what mindset to have while going to the exam hall.
There's not there wasn't much pressure and all. When you're going to the exam hall, it will be highly crowded. Many people will be there. If you can discuss with your friends and get to know if any of your friends are coming there, so you can meet up and just simply talk. That's all. Don't talk about what you studied and all. Just talk just random stuff, and it won't be, the rooms will be highly spacious, so you won't feel any problem and all. So the invigilators may be strict or may not be strict, so it depends on that. Other than that, you won't get any problems during the exam.
So there are infinite things that control the exam, and there are only some factors like how much the amount of preparation. This is the only thing that we can control. So just focus on the controllables. Leave the rest to God. It'll go well. Just have that feeling in your mind. You'll be more peaceful.
Reach the exam hall early. Don't go, if the exam starts at 2, don't be there at 1:55. Be there a little bit early. If you're early and you're sitting and you're thinking, okay, if I get the paper, what if there is this question in it? Don't think such things, okay? And while the exam is going on, in case you run out of time and you have 1 minute to solve a question and you're panicking, there is a way to stop the panic. I have to thank my dad for this advice. If you have 1 minute, take 2 seconds off, calm your mind and solve. If you have 10 seconds, take 1 second off. Always keep some time to calm yourself down. Because in a state of panic, if you solve a question, there is a very, very high probability that you're going to get it wrong. But if you have less time to solve, but you're calm, but like the probability of you getting it correct is going to increase. Even if you don't know the concept and you want to take a calculated guess, if you have a calm state of mind, it will help you make a proper guess instead of going for some other wrong option.